Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the invalid credit card error that you're getting on your PlayStation 5 when you're trying to enter it in. Now, if you are getting this error, go up to the top and then go on over to Settings and then go to Users and Accounts. And under here, we want to go to Accounts, then go to the right, and then go on over to Address and change your address. Now, make sure your address listed under this section is the same address that you are listing on your credit card information. Otherwise, the same region or area. If you do not have this aligned, you will be getting an invalid error when you're typing in your credit card information. Now, another thing you could do is go to Payment and Subscriptions, then go to Payment Methods. And instead of adding a credit card, you could go to a PayPal account and add your PayPal account under here. And then you can add your credit card information to your PayPal account. And then you can purchase stuff through your PayPal account for your PlayStation. Otherwise, you can go to Walmart real quick and just add funds with a prepaid card or something like that. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.